Welcome to the Salish Sea. My name is Norman Borman, and I'm here to tell y'all folks about noise pollution and what can cause it. Did you know that dolphins have discovered a cure for cancer, and now they want to mate with turtles? Isn't that hilarious?
Actually, Norman, that's incorrect. Maybe I should make a video about this. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Jimmy Bovine, and welcome to another great video on my YouTube channel. So, we know what underwater noise pollution is. But does the average Canadian know what it is? Well, let's find out. But first, we're going to do a small review so everyone's on the same page. So basically, underwater noise pollution is caused by man-made things, such as ships, underwater mining, and these things called air gun arrays, which basically scan the sea floor for things such as natural gases and oil. Imagine listening to all of that while walking down the street. Not to mention that noise travels much farther in the ocean over there. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Do you know what underwater noise pollution is?
No.
Yes.
No, not really.
I do not.
Okay. What do you guys think it is?
The noise from boats and stuff that affects underwater animals.
My guess is that it's noise created by probably human causes.
That ships go along and disturb the fish in the sea.
Do you know what underwater noise pollution is? Can you think of an effective way of stopping noise pollution? Thank you very much for your time.
Wow, that's pretty interesting. But you know what's even more interesting?
The effect noise pollution can have on killer whales. Orcas rely heavily on sound to find food, navigate ocean depth, keep groups together, and even find mates. Because of this, their hearing is super sensitive, making them extremely vulnerable. Oh. Did you know that orcas can even die from too much sound? Noise pollution can cause hemorrhaging around the ears, brain, and other tissue. Back in 2010, the U.S. Navy estimated that over 650,000 marine mammals were injured due to high-intensity sound waves caused by live fire, sonar, and bombing exercise in the last 5 years alone.
No, that's a lot of damage.
Did you also know that? Breaking news. We're here live at Willows Beach, where a local man was found informing tourists about the Salish Sea. This man was later found to be award-winning scientist Gordon Blorman, who specializes in the eradication of noise pollution. Let's hear what he has to say.
My name is Gordon Blorman. You may have seen my grandfather's marine biology show back in 1939, and as you probably guessed, he was a raving lunatic. I'm here to spread the word about getting rid of noise pollution to make my grandpa proud.
Well then, Gordon, how do we do it?
Great question. We can help by doing multiple things, such as slowing down the speed of ships, and we also clean the hull and propellers of those same vessels. We could even change the pitch of the sonar and make bigger propellers that take less RPM to travel. Heck, we could even reroute where the ships are going to avoid places where orcas are abundant. We could also find more